Yeah. I've been stacking my cheese up so I can invest, cause I'm money obsessed. And I pay what I owe, I ain't never in debt, cause I'm money obsessed. These niggas settle for less, but I strive for the best, cause I'm money obsessed. And I always got work, so I stay with a check, cause I'm money obsessed. They call me a paper chaser, always after that bag, but I don't chase it on foot, I do that in the Jag. And I come to realize that's what's making them mad. The same thing making them mad is what's making me laugh. I'm making lucrative steps so I can invest. Just closed the deal on a house and it came with a jet. I'm talking estate sales, got horses and stalls, and a huge car collection, came with Porsches and all. Got ducks to swim along with the fish in the lake, and a staircase that like it took a fortune to make. Came with a chef's kitchen, marble all the way around, which leads to the patio, marble all on the ground. Backyard so big, you need more than a damn rake. Gotta hire somebody to come do the landscape. Hey, y'all, gotta throw up some walls in this bitch. It's going down next to the college. What are we doing in this place? Long ass shit. Look at the Casey and his environment. Super long sheet. That's what me and the Case done. You ready? Screw it down. Give this a little bit to go. Put all these up. Put them all up. Fucking 16 footers.
What, like it? Huh?
Milwaukee. I fucks with the walkie. I fucks with Milwaukee. Yeah, tell them Case about that Wookie. That Wookie hair installation that we working with. Y'all see the premium Wookie in Case hands. Look at it.
That's from the original film.
That's right, from the original film. So that shit from the original Star Wars film in Case. Real Wookie hair going in their walls, ladies and gentlemen. You see it. I was up there shoving in Wookie. Up there shoving in Wookie. You see Case over there? Shoving in Wookie. That's what he doing. You know? In the business. That shit look crazy. I was gonna record this, y'all, but this shit ain't interesting. I'll show y'all before and afters, goddammit.
Shit ain't interesting.
It's not interesting. It's not interesting. They be here partying though. I don't know what they do here, but they be partying. Y'all see it, we flying through it. We about 3 hours in, close to 3 hours, and we about done, son. See that? Slinging it, that Wookie.
I'm just living.